The Texas Platoon Fam.
We're gonna go down here to the river and try some catfishing. And we'll try some of that sonic bait too. What do we need for catfishing? What do we usually use down here at the river?
Perch.
Yep. So what does that mean?
Perch fishing.
Yep, we get to go perch fishing here shortly. Sound good?
Yep, I love perch fishing.
Well, let's get everything together.
Here I go, my pole goes out.
Tree fishing, huh?
Yep.
She caught a tree bass.
Nope.
Oh,
Bite her hook.
quit. Oh, it's a baby. Don't say we're keeping it.
He's so cute. Crap. Brianna!
You get it.
Brianna!
I got the first fish. Look at that. It has blue on it. And look at its fin. Mama thinks that's a
1, 2, 3.
Taking your spot.
We all have our own spot. Except for
About time.
Got us some perch and all this sonic bait, and somehow my finger's in the way. Gonna try out the sonic bait and some perch and see what happens.
We are all baited up and ready to catch some fish. This one is Sonic Ocean Water, Perch, Cherry Kool-Aid, and Sonic Limeade, Cherry Limeade. I got it where I want it. Maybe. I just had to switch the bait, broke my hook, had to put a new hook on there. Let's try this again.
Getting a little action off of this one right here. Don't look too close. I missed a few holes when I was stringing the line on there. Been getting a little nibble. It ain't doing nothing right this second. We'll see. Sonic Ocean Water. People want to call it blue coconut. We've been down here at the river fishing and ain't got any takers. A few bites, but no takers. What else did we do today?
We went perch fishing.
Might not be a very interesting video, but we're showing it because this is part of fishing. She said she might not have enough footage to make a real good video, but she'll throw all the clips together and just sit back and watch what she has to show you.
And I'm not giving up.
On the sonic baits, that is. We're still a go for trying those out. Always hung up.
You got hung? I was like, oh my gosh, I think my fish caught a pole. He's gonna be so upset because he ain't gonna have a pole. What happened, Brandon?
Had a mark.
Look what he done to his pole. He broke it. in half
I didn't even have.
or somewhat.
It still works. Got a marlin on it. I had a marlin.
Well,
He's a big
I guess it's time for you a new pole, don't you think?
Yeah.
No, it was a stick that floated across it.
Thought she had it.
I thought she did. Hey, even if we don't catch no fish, our videos are still entertaining, ain't they? Even breaking a pole.